We're here with Dashiki that's having a problem with her 6-year-old daughter. So Dashiki, right? You can call me Dashi. Okay, Dashi, tell me how you feel about your daughter. Well, I cook chicken every night. I buy her drugs to calm her down. I buy her condoms for she can be safe. I don't know where I went wrong, Maury. You buy your daughter drugs to calm her down? Correct. Oh yeah, remind me to come over to your house every night for that chicken, okay? Yes, okay, I put 4 pounds of hot sauce in the chicken. Okay, but let's take a look at your six-year-old daughter, Jackie Shanini. Hey guys, it's your girl, Jackie Shanini. Okay, my mama just mad that I took all her man from her. It's not my fault her pussy smell like backside ass crack. Your six-year-old daughter got more pussy than your long toe, no toenail, having ass bitch. Well, that was something. Well, here is Jackie Shanini. Hey, stop crying with your doodle teeth having ass. Jackie, Jack, Shani, it's Jackie Shanini, bitch. Keep looking at me crazy. I'll knock your eyeballs in the back of your head. Keep playing with me, motherfucker. But anyways, Jackie, look what you put in your mother through. I don't give a damn. I don't give a flying hell about my mother, okay? But that's your mother. Your fucking point is, I'm sorry, they're telling us we have to go to the commercial. We'll be back after this.